Hey buddy, where do you think I'm going? Come here, come here. That's my camera, yeah. Come here. Alright, ready? Go, go, go! 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 What is this video about? It's gonna be a short one, and I'm finishing up the studio. Basically, I'm just strapping a bunch of lights to the wall so it looks good in the background of my YouTube videos. I bought very, very discounted 34 feet of Edison lights. 34 feet. And in that 34 feet, I have, get this, over 40 Edison bulbs. Hopefully the bokeh will look nice in the background like you're seeing here. Hopefully it'll look really nice, and hopefully it'll give the setup a nice, more professional look. Sound fair? Let's keep going. This looks absolutely incredible. This is the look that I was going for the entire time. I mean, they could be a little bit closer together, but don't get me wrong, this is absolutely fantastic. And look at it in the background, it looks so good. And then we got the teal, we got the orange, we got the teal, we got the orange, there we go. Beautiful, the perfect setup. Now the only thing I have to fix is the audio because it is so echoey in here. Hopefully I can just fix that in post. I'll do a little bit of research on how to up my audio game without buying a mic, because you gotta finesse that post-production. This is what it looks like on the 16-50 kit lens. And now we're gonna see what it looks like with the 55-210. So, and this is how it looks on the 55-210. I think it looks maybe a little bit better on the 55-210 just because there's a little bit more background blur. Hear what I'm saying? I like the bokeh in the background. Hence the lights. There we go, we're in frame. But even though there's not that much bokeh, I think it still looks real good. Let's do a little zoom in there. Much better. So now the lights look super good and the setup looks more professional. So hopefully people will take me seriously and consider subscribing. Anyways guys, this is the end of the video. There's gonna be lots of good stuff coming in the very, very near future. I went on a really good trip, so I took a lot of footage, which I just have to edit. I haven't gotten around to it yet, but I'll be seeing you guys real soon. Peace.